Okay, I'm doing some meal prep. Right here we have a mixed spring salad with Parmesan cheese and croutons, and I'm gonna dress it with maybe balsamic vinaigrette and Caesar salad or whatever dressing you desire. And over here we're making a ground beef. It's a lean ground beef. I'm just sauteing it with onions and garlic, and I'm gonna put some spices in there, and that's gonna be our protein. And over here I'm just sauteing a cauliflower, and I'm using a coconut oil, and it has to be spray so I don't put a lot of oil in it. Over here we're gonna, this is gonna be our breakfast. I'm gonna make this oatmeal with protein powder and some fruits for breakfast. And over here I'm boiling some water, and I'm making some broccoli for vegetables. And here we have our chicken. This is gonna be for our lunch. It's gonna be for our dinner. So really excited about it. So I'm gonna use Valentina and barbecue sauce, Kansas City, for our flavoring to our ground beef. And just a little splash right there. And then you have the barbecue sauce here. And then you just put it down. Go. Maybe like 3 ounces to 4 ounces, so should be good. Alright, we'll see how it goes. So now that there's some coloring on our cauliflower, just add a little bit of water and let it simmer to soften your cauliflower, right? And then we're gonna put some seasoning in there, just salt and pepper, whatever you want. Over here, gonna make sure that your broccoli is nice and green. Sometimes they intend to get overcooked, so you got to be careful. You don't want to have a non-green broccoli, right? So again, salt in the water for flavoring. Okay, so chicken is done. I just did it for 25 minutes, and then you just kind of like poke it up, and then yeah, it's pretty good. You don't want overcooked chicken, Okay, for breakfast, we're gonna do 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 spoon of protein powder, and then frozen 4-berry blend, and then a little bit of water. But milk would be good, but I don't have any milk, so we gotta work it out. So this is what it looks like, and it tastes really good actually. So that's for breakfast. Alright, so that's what it should look like, and this is gonna be for your breakfast. The oatmeal, it's still a little hot, so I'm gonna wait until it gets really cold, because I don't want to get thickened again when when I put the water in there. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more fruit in there to make it more tastier. There you go. So that's for breakfast. Okay, for snack or dessert, we're gonna do a yogurt, right? This brand here, I can't even pronounce that. Has a 17 gram of protein, 1 scoop of protein powder, and then a handful of 4-berry blend. So that's for my dessert. Alright, so that's what it's looked like, and this is good for, I guess, a few days. You just mix in the protein powder, and then eat it like so. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our chicken. What a great knife I have. And then once we're done, I'm gonna put it over there. Okay, so now we got broccoli and cauliflower. This is gonna be for our dinner. I'm preparing for 7 days. So we'll see how this is gonna go. After, I'm sure it should be okay, but yeah, so that's it. Okay, so this is a meal prep. Breakfast, lunch, and this is my dinner. And then you got a dessert. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know about the ingredients here, DM me. I'd love to give it to you. Very simple, very easy.